How to fix ReelShort app not working in your Android or iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about fixing the ReelShort app not working in your Android or iPhone device. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that you've installed the latest version of ReelShort application on your mobile device. So for that, you need to open your Play Store if you're using Android and App Store if you're using iPhone. Now go to the search bar and type in ReelShort app. Once you find the application and see an update button over there, simply go ahead and update it to its latest version. This is going to fix many bugs and improve your experience with the app. Now come back and open your system settings. From here, scroll down and go to apps. Search for ReelShort application. Once you find it, go to its storage and then click on clear cache. You can also try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. And if you're using iPhone, go to general and then iPhone storage, search for ReelShort application and upload the app. You can also try uninstalling this application completely from your device and reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store. And then, if nothing works, you can go to the app's website or support page for help. And you can also check your internet connection, try using Wi-Fi or mobile data to see if that's the problem. And last but not least, you can simply restart your entire device. This can fix temporary problems that might be stopping the app. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.